The idea that changed everything. After saving Apple, Steve Jobs began thinking beyond computers and music player. He watched people struggle with phones, teeny keyboards, confusing, meaningless, lifeless screens. Steve asked a simple but dangerous question. What if a phone felt as natural as touching your hand? Inside Apple, teams were secretly formed. Engineers doubted timeless, designers fear value, designers fear failure. Steve pushed forward anyway. He wasn't building a phone, he was redesigning how humans connect with technology. Perfection through pain. The iPhone project demanded everything. Steve rejected design repeatedly. Prototypes were thrown away. Teams worked day and night. There were moments when failure felt certain. The technology didn't exist yet. But Steve belief itself could bend limits. He demanded perfection not out of cruelty, but out of respect for the future user. Pain became progress the day the world paused. On a quiet stage, Steve Jobs stepped forward in a black turtleneck and jeans. He smiled. This is a revolutionary product, he said. Then he changed the world. The iPhone wasn't just unveiled, it was revealed. A phone, a music player, and an device become one. History is split into before and after, redefining industries. The iPhone didn't just change phones, it reshaped communication, photography, entertainment, business, social behavior. Entire industries collapsed and new ones were born. Steve Jobs didn't follow markets, markets follow him. The quiet battle inside. While the world celebrated, Steve fought privately. His health was failing. Cancer returned stronger. He hid his pain behind presentation product launches. Every keynote felt heavier. Time became louder. Steve Jobs understood now more than ever. Every moment matter. The iPad and a new vision. Despite illness, Steve Jobs pushed one more dream, the iPad, a device between phone and computers. Critics mock it, but once again, simplicity won. The iPad redefined reading, learning, and creativity, teaching without speaking. As his body weakened, Steve's voice grew quieter, but his ideas grew louder. He mentored leader indirectly through products, decision, design philosophy, and focus. He was preparing Apple to survive without him. The Stanford message revisited. Steve Jobs often reflected on his Stanford speech. You can only one you can only connect the dots looking backward. Love what you do. That is life's greatest invention. These weren't quotes anymore. They were lived truth. Letting go, Steve slowly stepped away from daily control. This time there was no longer only acceptance, he trusted what he built. The final legacy and beyond. Steve Jobs passed away quietly, but the noise he left behind was eternal. He proved one thing forever a single human belief when protected fiercely can reshape the world. His story didn't end, it multiplied. The silence after the storm. When Steve Jobs passed away in 2011, the world felt unusually quiet. News traveled fast, yet people stopped to breathe. Apple stores filled with flowers, handwritten notes, and tears from strangers who felt they had lost a friend. Steve was gone, but his presence felt everywhere. In pockets, on desks, in hands, his ideas were still alive. That ended the man, not the momentum. Apple without its creator. For the first time, Apple moved forward without Steve voice in meeting. Many doubted the company's future. Critics waited for failure, but Steve had prepared carefully. His philosophy was embedded into Apple culture. Focus, simplicity, excellence. Apple didn't irritate Steve, it continued his thinking. The legacy of design thinking, design schools, startups, and engineer across the world study. Steve Jobs, not as a businessman, but as a thinker. He taught that design is how something works, beauty has purpose, emotion belongs in technology. His idea become global principle. Influence beyond technology. Steve impact reaching far beyond computers. Artists learn courage, entrepreneur learn focus, student learn curiosity. He proved that creativity is not a luxury, it is a responsibility. The myth becomes meaning. Over time, Steve Jobs became more than history. He became a symbol. Some remember his flaws, others remember his brilliance. Together they form truth. Greatness is imperfect. The lesson that survive time. Years pass, but his lessons remain unchanged. Trust your intuition, fail forward, protect your vision, care deeply. These lessons age better than technology. The human side, remember. People who work with Steve Jobs begin sharing stories, not about products, but about moments. Moments of doubt, moments of apology, moments of growth. The sharp edges soften in memory. A teacher without a classroom. Steve Jobs never wrote a textbook, yet millions learn from him through keynotes, interviews, and choice. He taught the world how to think differently. The future he imagined. Every modern device carries echoes of Steve vision. Touch first interfaces, seamless ecosystem, minimal design. The future still follow his blueprint. Time proves the impact. Yet after his death, Apple remains one of the world's most influential companies. This wasn't luck, it was philosophy surviving its creator. The endless story. Steve Jobs' story does not close with a final page. It restarts in every young creator, every risk idea, every refusal to accept good enough as long as curiosity exists. His story continues.